Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find the save game files for The Binding of Isaac, Rebirth on your Windows PC. Whether you want to back up your progress, transfer your saves to another computer, or restore a previous backup, this is the folder you'll need to access. Let's get started. First, open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing Windows plus E on your keyboard. Once File Explorer opens, click this PC from the navigation panel on the left. Now open your local disk C. Inside the C drive, open the user's folder. Next, open the folder that has your Windows username. Once you're there, open the Documents folder. Inside Documents, open My Games. Finally, open the folder named Binding of Isaac Repentance. This is the folder where the game stores all of your save files. Once you're inside the Binding of Isaac Repentance folder, you'll see all of your save game files. If you want to create a backup, simply copy the entire folder and paste it somewhere safe, such as another drive or an external USB device. And that's all there is to it.